Is it a boy or a girl? Cast your vote. What will be the baby? A girl or a boy? We will find out. We're gonna find out later if it's a boy or a girl. So pare-pareho tayong di nakakaalam kung ano, kung babae ba o lalaki. Tingnan natin mamaya.